Hello, welcome to the ZipTies YouTube channel. In this video we will be discussing wireless debugging, the benefits it would have for a robotics team, and how to enable it on a Windows 10 machine. Let's get started. First, let's discuss what wireless debugging is. Wireless debugging allows the developer to debug his or her Android Studio programs without needing to have a cable attached to the phone. The phone connects to a local network wirelessly and sends debugging information to the computer. The computer does not need to be on a wireless network, it just needs to be on the same local network as the phone. This has some obvious benefits for first robotics teams. Less time is used in switching cables, and software changes can be made quickly and without needing to move the robot from the practice field. You still need to recharge the robot controller phone, and will still need to plug the phone into the computer occasionally, but we will discuss that in a minute. In Android Studio, open up the terminal at the bottom of the screen. Try to use the command adb. Notice that it does not work. This is because the terminal is really an extension of the Windows command prompt, and the command prompt can't find an exe file named adb. We will need to add adb to the path system variable, and we will start by finding where the adb file is located. Press Windows R to open Run. Type in %appdata %, to get to the app data folder. Go up a step to app data, go into the local folder, Android, SDK, and platform tools. In the address bar, copy the address because you will need this for the next step. To navigate to the path variable, right-click on the Windows icon, select the System option to open the System Information window. Click on the Advanced System Settings option and enter an administrator password. This may not be possible if you are on a school or company computer, so see if you can use a personal computer for wireless debugging. In the Advanced Settings, click Environment Variables. If something is done incorrectly, I recommend being extremely careful with what you do in this menu since a mistake may render your computer unusable. You have been warned. Select the path variable in the lower list and click Edit. Click New and paste the address that you copied earlier into the text box. Press Enter and OK. Close the Environment Variables window, System Properties window, and System Information window. After a restart, you should now be able to use the adb command in Android Studio. Now we may set up wireless debugging for our phone. Make sure your device is connected to a wireless network. Begin by plugging the phone into the computer. This is necessary to begin the process. Use the command adb tcpip 5555 to open a port on your Android device. Once that command is finished, use the command adb shell netconfig to create a list of IP addresses. Search for the WLAN 0 IP address. Copy this IP address since we will need it in the next step. Now use the command adb connect and then paste the IP address that you found in the previous step. You should now be set to use your wireless debugging capabilities. You may now upload wirelessly, and we will cover debugging and the debugging process in a different video. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.